Hello everyone, if you are planning to pursue a BBA in Hyderabad, then this video is going to be extremely helpful for you because today we will be talking about the best BBA colleges in Hyderabad 2025 where you will find top-notch faculty, a modern curriculum and placement-ready skills. And yes, if you need personalized guidance for your BBA admission, just message us on the WhatsApp number shown on the screen to get connected. Starting with ICFAI Business Schools Hyderabad, one of the most reputed business schools in Hyderabad. IBS focuses on analytical thinking and business management in its BBA program with a case study based and Harvard-style teaching methodology where students learn to solve real-world business problems. It also offers leadership labs and business simulations that give students valuable corporate exposure. Now the second one is NMIMS Hyderabad. NMIMS is a nationally recognized university where the BBA program focuses on industry projects, communication skills, and developing an entrepreneurial mindset. The program includes a market-relevant curriculum with digital business modules. Students get exposure through summer internships, marketing competitions, and management fest. It's ideal for those who want practical business training at an affordable fees. Now the third one is Amity University, Hyderabad. Amity University's BBA program is designed with global approach, offering international case studies, foreign exchange programs, and corporate mentorship. Students can choose from various specializations like finance, marketing, HR, and international business. Frequent industry visits and placements workshop help them build career direction. If you want personality development and corporate grooming, Amity is the right choice. Now the fourth one is IIMC, Indian Institute of Management and Commerce. Established in 1973, IIMC is one of the Hyderabad's most respected colleges for management education. Its BBA program focuses on developing analytical thinking, communication and leadership abilities through a balanced mix of theory and practical exposure. Students get opportunities to work on business projects, attend entrepreneurship fest and interact with corporate mentors. It's a great choice for students who want value-based learning with strong industry connect at an affordable cost. Now the fifth one is St. Joseph Degree and PG College, one of the oldest and most reputed institution in Hyderabad, affiliated with Osmania University. Students here gains hands-on exposure through internship, case study competitions and management events. The college also includes new age electives like business analytics and entrepreneurship. Now the sixth one is Woxin University. Woxin is a top-tier private university that emphasizes entrepreneurship, innovation, and leadership training. Its global immersion programs and international collaborations provide world-class exposure. The university also has incubation centers and startup labs where students can implement their business ideas. Now the seventh one is Geetham School of Business, Hyderabad. Geetham is known for its industry-integrated curriculum. Students can choose specializations like marketing, HR, finance, and international business. Through corporate tie-ups, the institutes offer strong internships and placement opportunities, perfect for students seeking corporate-ready skills and specializations-focused knowledge. Now the eighth one is Mahindra University, run by the Mahindra Group. This university is known for interdisciplinary learning and technology-integrated business education. BBA students here are trained in data analytics, design thinking and leadership. Regular mentorship from industry experts and startup challenges make it stand out. Now the next one is St. Anne's College for Women, Medipatnam, a reputed and affordable college exclusively for women in Hyderabad. Its BBA program focuses on building confidence, presentation skills and an entrepreneurial mindset. The active placement cell helps prepare students for corporate roles, ideal for girls looking for a safe campus, strong academics and budget-friendly education. Now the final one is Nizam College. Nizam College is a government-affiliated institution. The BBA program here builds a strong theoretical foundation along with communication and management training. Students also gain exposure through seminars, inter-college fest and industry guest talks. So friends, these were some of the best BBA colleges in Hyderabad, each one offering a unique strength and a distinct career direction. While choosing a college, always focus on curriculum, quality, internship, exposure and placement record. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any latest admission updates or career guidance videos.